Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the rapidly evolving world of AI and video creation. Get ready to explore how text to video AI tools are exploding onto the scene, revolutionizing the way content is made. Our first stop is Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha. This tool is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering unprecedented control and quality in AI generated video. I typed in, a cat wearing sunglasses skateboarding through a futuristic city. Let's see what Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha cooks up, Sarah exclaimed enthusiastically. Sarah here, a digital artist, is testing Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha to see what she can create. Next up is Pika, another impressive tool making waves in the AI video space. Pika is known for its user-friendly interface and rapid video generation capabilities. With Pika, I can easily create promotional videos, social media content, or even just visualize creative ideas in seconds, the narrator noted neutrally. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about Sora, OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video model. Sora is generating immense buzz for its ability to create highly realistic and detailed scenes from simple text prompts. The level of realism is just mind-blowing. It's hard to believe these videos are entirely AI-generated, John remarked in amazement. John, a VFX artist, is looking at Sora for the first time. These AI tools are not just creating videos, they're democratizing content creation, empowering individuals and businesses to produce high-quality video content without extensive resources. While these tools offer incredible potential, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Issues like deepfakes and copyright need careful consideration as AI video generation becomes more widespread. The explosion of text-to-video AI tools is transforming the creative landscape, opening up exciting new possibilities for storytelling, marketing, and education. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI video tools. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI and tech advancements. Stay curious and keep creating.